A large American company, Multi Global, acquired BTSA Limited, a small Canadian company, after beginning taken over by an American company. BTSA Limited began organizational changes. The report structure becomes a metric model. Cultural difference causes employees to leave, delayed implementation of MRP and ERP system. In the process of transformation, small companies are faced with a challenge of a one-size-fits-all organizational structure. The company faced two main problems in the transformation. The first problem faced by BTSA Limited is the loss of talent. The employee turnover rate increased from 9.09% to the 25.58%. After the transformation of the company, especially the loss of experienced engineers, because most employees lack of relevant knowledge or skills to deal with larger American companies. Many of them do not have any formal college or university degree that are inconsistent with the corporate culture of Multitech Global. Many people will leave the company because they do not apply the new way of doing things. The second problem is the BTSA Limited face the challenge of one-size-fits-all organization structure. In the original traditional structure, the independent business led by a general manager involved into a metric organized company structure, where the manager reported to various presidents and director instead of Canadian general manager. Some BTSA Limited managers believe that changes in the metric structure are harmful and time-consuming. Engineers need to spend a lot of time filling out the report. There are two steps from Kota's 8-step process. Form a strong guidance alliance. Faced with the loss of talents, Multitech can form a guiding alliance based on the company global of BTSA Limited. Communicate the training employees and establish a new organizational culture. For example, the establish a employees training organization committee, timely communication with the company's new policy and understanding of the employees' feedback. Establish a new training mechanism. Training employees who will need to learn new organizational form and training manager for company, thereby reducing the loss of personnel. Consolidate improvements and reduce more changes. Organizational changes requires consistent adoption of new changes. The rise of new factor director caused the company to stagnate. Therefore, BTSA needed to consider how to maintain change. For example, the establishment of an incentive mechanism, emphasize leadership talents in corporate strategy.